Hello dear students, all of you are welcome in this class. I am Ashish Kumar from Golden Future Public School, and this is the fourth lecture of class 8 of subject science. Now we will have to learn about the sowing. That is the second process of agriculture. In the previous class we have already learned about the preparation of soil, and that is the second step of agriculture. Now we will discuss about the second step. Why do we sow? How can we do sowing? And what is the machine, traditional machine, and what is the modern machine which helps in sowing? Okay? And there are some basic points. There are some important points which you have to write in your notebook. Okay? Let's start. At first we have to look on the board sowing. Selecting good and healthy quality seed to sow in the soil. Means we have to select the good quality of seeds. Why? What is the necessity of good quality and healthy quality of seeds in the soil? Because that is the reason why good quality, healthy and clean seeds promote a higher yield. If we select the good and healthy quality of seeds, then we will get higher amount of yield, means higher amount of foods. No doubt, which can be any types of grains or pulses or etc. Okay, and after that we have to know about what is the process of sowing. Okay, let's I read line by line and you have to understand the point. Place the seeds in a bowl of water. Dead seeds would float as they are usually hollow, while healthy seeds sink in the water. If we have to get the healthy seeds and good seeds, then what should I do for it? Then we have to at first in some water we have to put the seeds in the water, and we will look that the bad seeds are floating on the water and the good seeds are sinking in the water, and in this way we will get the good seeds. Okay, this is the basic process to find the good seeds. Okay, and next look at the second point. State agricultural departments or seed corporation distributes healthy seeds. Many of the corporation and many of the department of our government and also many types of NGO and private department provides the farmers many types of goods and healthy seeds. So that's the another factor to get healthy seeds. And next point is the selected seeds are treated with chemicals such as agrocin and kerosene to protect seedlings from seed-borne disease. What is meant by this line? This line is mean that the seeds should be protected properly by some chemicals which is necessary to protect from pesticides and insecticides which harms the seeds. Okay students, so selected seeds are treated with chemicals such as agrocin is a type of chemical which helps to protect from pesticides or insecticides which is harmful from seeds. For seeds, sorry. Next, we have to know about there are four types of method for sowing the seeds. Generally, there are four types of method to sow the seeds. At first, we have to know about broadcasting method, and after that, traditional tool, and after that, seed drills, and the fourth method is transplantation. Okay, let's look in the point that first look at broadcasting method. It involves spreading of seeds by hand. Seeds are later covered with soil by leveler to avoid wastage. Seeds of maize, wheat and bajra are sown by this method. Means that broadcasting method is traditional method, and it can be seen in the village which is not developed during this day, and it is not a good method and proper method because there are many disadvantages of it. That is, look at the disadvantage because wastage and overcrowding of seeds. When we when we split the seeds, on the field, then we look that many of the seeds are overgrowing and many of the seeds are waste. So in this method is not good method. This is not said the good method, but it is the traditional method, and we will have to learn the next method, that is traditional tool. And again look at the point, that is missing improper nutrient supply. In this method we don't we can't supply the nutrients to all the seeds. Okay, so it is not good method, and also it's again disadvantage of broadcasting method. Uneven distribution takes place, means that if we sow the sowing process by broadcasting method, then we can't spread all the seeds in proper distance, at the proper way. So it is not in the even distance and in the even order. So this is not a good method. And next method is traditional tool. This method includes the use of funnel shaped tool where seeds are filled and passed to the soil through pipes having sharp ends. In the second lecture, we have already drawn a diagram. Through the diagram, I have taught you that how this method is useful, but in this modern day, this is not so useful than seed drills, because seed drills is the modern automatic method which helps to spread all the seeds in good manner, in good distance and proper order. This is very perfect method. So these tools is not so funny. So because many of the seeds are overcrowded in this method too. Okay, so we will now learn about seed drills. Automatic devices through which seeds are sown at an equal distances and equal depth. It is a modern method where tractor is used, but it is heavy. It is some offensive because this method needs a tractor. Okay, so but this method is very good because it helps to sow the seeds in equal distances and equal depth, which is very necessary for better sowing. Okay, what is the advantage? There are many advantages, and one of them is it saves energy, it saves time, because and seeds get covered again after being sown by soil. And in this machine, in this automatic machine, after sowing the seeds, all the soils get covered again and again by this machine that is called seed drills machine. It is very good. It is better than traditional tool and is better than broadcasting method. And the fourth method is not a machine method because it's a process of transplantation. It is the name of process, that is transplantation. In plants, in this method, in plants like tomato, rice, onion, chili, brinjal, etc., the seeds of them are not put in the field but are sown in seed beds in nurseries. I think that all of the students, sometimes were gone to the nursery. Nursery is a very common word which all the students know about it, because in the city many nurseries are available, and in the nursery you can see that many types of plants, many types of flowers, many types of gardening are available there, and you can find one of them which you select, and very fantastic quality, the quality of very good, better quality of tomato, rice or anything that you want to achieve. That is so transplantation method is that method in which good quality of seeds are selected and the healthy seedlings are transplanted to the main fields. Means that at first we have to plant the seeds in garden or nursery. After that we have to select the healthy plants, healthy seedlings, and we have to sow them in our main field. And in the main field, the seedlings which is selected and better seedlings that grow well, and our yields will be better. So transplantation method is very good method to get higher yields. So in this way the crop yield is increased. So to increase the crop or any types of food or any types of pulses or grains or any types of if which you want to care. So transplantation method, there are 4 types of method, and we have to know about the why sowing is important, because good quality, healthy and clean seeds promote a higher yield. So we have to get proper seeds, and that is the reason for sowing. And these are all are the basic points which you have to note in your copy, and it's a very important point. So if you have any doubt or query, then you can contact me. My WhatsApp number is going on your screen, and my email address is also in your screen. So let's meet in the next lecture. Okay, bye bye.